In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a statement in Microsoft Forms. This is a useful skill for creating clear and organized forms. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to include essential information and questions effectively. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You will see a variety of links in your search results. Look for the official Microsoft Forms site. It usually appears at the top of the list. This step is crucial as it ensures you are using the right platform for your form creation. Once you find it, click on the link to proceed. This will take you to the Microsoft Forms homepage where you can start working on your forms. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to sign in. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Logging in is important because it saves your progress and keeps your forms secure. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your Forms dashboard. Here you can view and manage all your forms efficiently. Now open your form in Microsoft Forms. You will see a list of forms you have created or have access to. Click on the specific form you want to edit. This action is essential because it brings you to the editing interface where you can make all necessary changes. When your form is open, you will notice a user-friendly design that allows you to navigate easily. From there, open your form and click Add New. You will find this option at the bottom of your existing questions. Clicking this button is a straightforward way to start adding new content to your form. It is important because it helps you structure your form in a clear and organized manner. Once you click Add New, a new section will be ready for you to fill out. Next up, click the drop-down arrow on the right of the question types and select Section. This drop-down menu provides various options for what type of content you want to add. Choosing Section allows you to create a distinct area within your form. This is significant because it helps separate different parts of your form, making it easier for respondents to understand. After selecting Section, you will see a new field appear where you can enter your section title. After that, type your main title in the section name field. This title should be clear and relevant to the content you plan to include. A well-defined title is crucial as it sets the tone for the following information. It helps your respondents know what to expect in that section. Once you have entered the title, it will appear prominently in your form, allowing for better organization. Next, paste your full statement into the description field directly below it. This statement can provide context, instructions, or any necessary information for your respondents. Adding a descriptive statement is essential because it clarifies the purpose of the section. When respondents read it, they will better understand the questions that follow. Make sure to review your statement for clarity before moving on. Now add your actual questions right underneath this section. Below your statement, you can begin to insert the questions you want your respondents to answer. This step is where you translate your ideas into actionable questions. It is important because it engages your audience and collects the information you need. As you add each question, ensure they are clear and concise to avoid any confusion. With these steps completed, you are well on your way to creating an effective form in Microsoft Forms. Following this process helps ensure your form is both informative and user-friendly. You should now have a well-structured form ready for responses. Thank you for following along.